November 20th, 2018. It's around 7 a.m. Around 28 degrees or so. I'm on Lake Michigan, close to 63rd Street. In the park, there's a section of my routine 7-mile run, which I've discovered recently. I mean, I've seen it for years now, but I haven't run it. But recently, I started to use it kind of as a run around the marina here, and it's kind of nice. But most of the trail, most of those 7 miles are on pavement. Some of it is concrete and some of it is asphalt. And what I set out to do here, this is so frustrating because I'm looking to replace these Merrell all-out crash shield. I bought them in 2017 February, used them that winter, in this 2018 winter, and now it's 2019, and it's holding up really well, but the sole, the outer sole, is starting to wear off a little bit. And just to be cautious, I'm 57 and I really don't want to fall and slip, so I really want to make sure that I have the best grip I can. And so I've been spending a few weeks looking for shoes that are good for running in the winter, in the snow. I'm not so much concerned about the cold weather because I've started to use last year, so it took me a few years to find them, these toe warmers, and they're fantastic. I put them above the sock, between the upper part of the shoe and my sock, so it's above, not under the foot, it's above the foot, around the toes. It keeps me warm and I can run. And I've been using these shoes. I typically start using them around October, mid-October, through sometimes April. This pair I've been using for around, let's say conservatively, for 700 miles, but I really didn't have patience to go through accurately my entire run keeper log, but I'd say that for sure over 700 miles, and they're in great shape. Last year I sprayed them with a kind of with a spray to keep the water out, and really they're keeping me dry and warm. I sometimes sink into snow. Obviously this morning there's not much snow yet, but what I've been so frustrated about, it's very difficult to find the reviews about running shoes appropriate for snow and icy conditions similar to those that are my routine. And most of these reviews are people are doing them in their homes. They unpack their box. It's all unpacking things. It's kind of bullshit. And really, you want to understand if the shoe performs, and it's hard to get it from the reviews. It's really hard to understand if a shoe is minimal. I love to run with minimal shoes year round. I use Merrell, which I love. Merrells, they're great. But this shoe is not a minimal shoe, and unfortunately, they don't really seem to be making a minimal shoe that I like. And I just the other day got a Moab 2s, which I thought Gore-Tex, which I thought maybe will work, but they won't work, too tight. Just want to say for now is that these shoes that you can still buy, this is a 7.5. I should have bought 8 because with the socks, I typically run without socks, but in the winter I use these darn tough thin socks, and it always felt tight a little bit. um, and they're not minimal. So I really want minimal shoes, waterproof, snowproof, and fantastic traction. And this has proven themselves. I did fall a few times, mostly when I took sharp corners, kind of running around the corner, and I slipped. Didn't hurt myself much, but I'm always concerned about falling. So a good grip is important. This shoe does not have a Vibram sole. I don't know that it matters much. Merrell's the grip in this particular shoe is fantastic. It really holds up, and but as you can see, after all those miles, it does wear off. So I think I'll try to provide some more reports from the trail over this coming winter, and I don't know, maybe it'll help someone figure out shoes. I'm waiting for Ultra Mid, the Ultra Lone Peak RSN, Lone Peak 4 RSN Mid, which I bought from Ultra, and they promised I could use them for a whole month and then return it if I don't like it. I ordered the number 8, and I will report back to you. Merrell, if you hear this, please can you make a minimal running shoe that is really appropriate for snow and ice, and you know, you have the all out darn crush mother or whatever these names, and I'm sure it's a great shoe. I'm not crazy about the look, and the toe box looks a little narrow to me. So if you hear this, please do something, because I would buy them. Okay, this is me, Ezra, reporting from beautiful, ever beautiful Lake Michigan here in Chicago.